Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting lesson for you all. This is a classic song from the Shadows called Wonderful Land. Okay, hopefully you will have seen my preview playthrough that I put up yesterday, and I hope in this lesson to teach you how to play what I played in that demo. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same key the original version of the Shadows played in. Okay, so I'm going to break the song down into sections, and then we'll build it up in sections. Okay, I'm going to show you how to play the rhythm part and the lead part to each bit. Okay, now what you've got to realise is this is a lesson on my version that you saw me play in the preview. Okay, it's not the definitive version. It's probably not played exactly in the same way that Hank plays it. Okay, it's the way I play it. Okay, there are different ways of playing the same thing in different parts of the neck, different strings. Gives you the same note but a different tone, etc. But so this is the way I play it. Okay, so just use it as a blueprint. If you find easier ways of playing it, then please do use the easier way, or the one that sounds better to you, please use it. This is just a building block for you. Okay, so let's do it. So starting off with the intro, right? Rhythm wise, very simple. It's just two chords, a G chord and an F chord. Now you can use whichever version of the chords you want, bar chords, open chords, as long as it's just G and F. Okay, and it's very simple. It's that bit that goes, that bit. Okay, it's just G F G F. Okay, so G F da 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 da. And off we into the verse. Okay, so just G. I'm just using a basic open G and an F. If I confuse you with that F, a simple F is fine. I might tend to use the F with C in the bass. So this third finger, from a simple F, third finger goes up to the 5th string, 3rd fret. Pinky takes over on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, the D string, 5 downwards. Simple F, usually you play 4 downwards. This one you use 5 downwards. Okay? But if you want to use bar chords, please do. G and F. Da 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 da. That's exactly the same, yeah, but just different shapes. Yeah, different versions of the chord. And for that, I use mainly downstrokes. Okay, so it's da 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 da. Okay, and off we go into the verse. Okay, now the actual lead bit, obviously on the record, it starts off with the guitar high up, and then the second part is played by some sort of horn or something, right? So the way I get over that is I play the same thing note-wise, but in an octave lower. Okay, so it's the first one is right up here, 15th fret of the top E string. Helps if you've got a cutout, I suppose, but it's not impossible if you haven't, I don't think. 15th fret of the top E string to a 13th fret top E to the 12th on the top E. Okay. Then we go to the 2nd string, the B string, and go 15, 13, 15. So, okay, got that. And we do exactly the same sort of thing, but an octave lower. The way I play it is this. So I'm starting on the 2nd string, the B string, 8th fret, to the 6th on the 2nd, to the 5th on the 2nd. Then we go to the 3rd string and play 7, 5, 7. So you put those two together, you get into the main line of the verse. etc. Okay, so that's the intro taken care of. Now the outro at the end of the record is basically the same as the intro. Okay, that's G and F again with the rhythm, and the same this bit. The only thing is the outro tends to be a bit longer than the intro, and the very last one you can slow it down. So coming to the end of the outro, you just do exactly the same thing but slow it right down. Okay, and it's the same chords, G and F. Okay, now we move on to the verse. Okay, now lots of chords in this, only one slightly difficult one, B flat. We'll come to that in a minute. So starts on a G to a D, da da da, G D, da 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 da, F, da da da, C to A minor, quite quickly, da 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 da. Okay, so it's da 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 da. Now we go back to C A minor again, da da da, F, da da da, D minor to B flat to G. Okay, so once again slowly, G, D, F, C to A minor, C A minor again, da da da, F, da da, to D minor, B flat, G. Now the B flat, if you haven't played it before, easy way or the easier way, top E string first fret, first finger. Then the other fingers, the three other fingers, are playing the third fret of the fourth, third and second strings, 4 downwards, and then to a G. Okay, now obviously there are different ways. B flat you could play as a bar chord if you want to, or an F shape, or a bar chord on the 6th fret, and then come down to a bar chord or a F shape on the 3rd fret. Okay, so it's lots of options there, different ways of playing the same chords. Okay, so once again let's just go through that all the way from the beginning, from the chord wise. Okay, so it's da 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 F, C A minor, C A minor, to F, to D minor, B flat, G. Okay, now the lead bit for that first half of the verse is this. Right, first phrase, open 3rd, open 4th, open 3rd. Okay, then we play 2 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 2 hits on that. So we got. Then we go to the 4th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and then the easiest way to play it is just to play an open 4th string. End up on the open 4th string there. Okay, so it's. Okay, if you watch my video, you'll see me play it like. I tend to go up for that last note, the open D. I tend to use my pinky to play the 5th fret of the 5th string. It's the same note. The easy way is to play the open D. Okay, but just so you don't get confused, it's just the way I play it. Okay, so you've got. Okay, that's a nice easy way of playing it. Second phrase is. Alright, so that's 2nd on the 3rd, to the third fret of the fourth, back to the second on the third, so it's, then I go up with my pinky, or we could use another finger, whichever finger you want, to play the fifth fret of the third string. 2 hits on that, and then the open third to the second on the fourth. So now you've got this. Alright, that's the open. Let's do it again, sorry. Second phrase. Okay. Then we come to this bit. Right, and that's basically the fifth fret of the third string to the third fret on the second, to the fifth fret on the second, to the sixth fret of the second, 2 hits. So it's back down to the fifth fret on the second, to the third fret on the second, to the fifth fret of the third. So it's into the third on the second again, down, 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 all on the same note, third on the second there. Okay, so it's okay, got that so far. Okay, so let's just do it right from the beginning of the verse. Okay, now we come to the second half of the verse, which is that. Okay, so on the chord structure on that one, so after it comes out of the B flat to G, da, 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 no, that bit, sorry, da, da, da. Da, 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 and we're off into another verse. Okay, so that bit, that's C to E minor. Okay, so da, 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 da. C to E minor, back to C, da, da, da. F, da, D minor, da, C, da, G, da, D minor, da, F minor, da, E minor, da. Stay there. Da, 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 da. G's another verse. Da, 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 da. Okay, so let's go through that again. Now the F minor, it's a new chord. We haven't done that one yet. Is basically bar the first top 3 strings, first fret, first finger, and then the third fret using your third finger and pinky, third fret of the 5th string, the A string, and the 4th string, the D string, 5 downwards. Okay, not playing the bottom E. Okay, so that. So it's da, sorry, da, right, da, da, C, E minor, da, C, da, 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 F, da, D minor, da, C, da, G, da, D minor, da, F minor, da, da, E minor, and back into another verse. Okay, so that's the rhythm to it. Okay, so let's try the lead part now. So after it comes out of that that's that B flat to G. G. Right, here we go with the lead bit. So what am I doing there? I'm borrowing the 5th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my first finger, and I'm going 2nd string, 3rd string, then I'm putting this 3rd finger up to the 7th fret on the 4th string, and then taking it off and playing the 5th fret, which is on the bar, that one. Okay, so okay, and then we do keeping the bar, we do 2, 3, 4. Right, so go first one, second one, and we go right up to the 10th fret on the 2nd string. Then we play that one again, go down to the 8th fret on the 2nd string. So now we've got again 8 on the 2nd. Right, carry on now onto the 7th on the 3rd. Now we do a slide backwards and forwards from 2nd string, 6, 5, 6. So now we've got this. Then we go 5 on the 3rd, 6 on the 4th, 5 on the 4th, right, and we go and we off into another verse again. Okay, so once again, on the 3rd, 6 on the 4th, 5 on the 4th, and then we do this. So that's 7 on the 5th, 5 on the 4th, 4 on the 3rd, back to the 5th one on the 4th. Okay? And then we go into another verse. Okay, at that point we'll stop and we'll come back and take it up from where we left off. Okay, thanks a lot, see you in the next lesson.